Did your iPad suddenly get stuck on the Apple logo and can't get out? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Hey guys, welcome back to tenorshare. Whether your iPad is stuck on the Apple logo during an update, restore, or just out of the blue, we're here to help you through the panic. Here are 3 methods to bring your iPad back to life. Let's go. First, let's figure out what's going on. The most common cause of an iPad stuck on Apple logo is a failed iOS update. However, it can also occur due to a malfunctioning app, system glitches, or physical damage. And if your storage is almost full, this could easily happen too. Therefore, it's worth trying the fixes below before seeking professional help. If your iPad is stuck on the Apple logo for no reason, try a force restart to get it out of the system crash. According to Apple, a force restart is a powerful button combination action that can refresh your system and fix many software-related issues. It's simple and safe to try without losing any data. Let's try. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds, like this, until you see the Apple logo reappear, then let go of it. It can do a complete clean reboot on your iPhone to resolve various software issues such as crashes or getting stuck, and this will not lose any data. If your iPad still gets stuck on Apple logo, it might be a system bug causing the issue. In that case, you need a computer to perform the following fix. Method 2. Update iPad using iTunes. If you have iTunes on your computer, open it and connect your iPad to your PC. Put it into recovery mode. It's simple, just like a force restart, but press the power button longer. Press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then long press the power button until your device enters the support interface. Once detected, iTunes will provide the option to either update or restore. Opt for the update if you wish to retain your data. iTunes will download the latest firmware and initiate the update process. However, if your phone is stuck on the Apple logo due to an upgrade, this method may not work and may easily cause a second error. In this case, you will have to restore your iPad and your phone data will be lost. Then how can we fix it without losing data? So here, I will show you another software called ReiBoot, which is clearer and more helpful for when your iPad is stuck on Apple logo, and it won't cause data loss. Let's see how it works. Method 3. Fix iPad stuck on Apple logo with ReiBoot. After downloaded ReiBoot, connect your iPad with an official cable and click the green Start button in the System Repair area. Choose System Repair to fix your device without data loss. It might guide you to put your iPad in recovery mode. For your iPad, it's simple, just like a force restart, but press the power button longer. Press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then long press the power button until your device enters the support interface. If it goes to the download page, then you're in recovery mode. Download the matching firmware to repair your iPad error-free. The download speed depends on your internet speed. When it's done, click System Repair to let it scan and fix the system. Although it's a paid version, it's the most cost-effective way to fix your iPad stuck on the Apple logo, because when you go to a repair store, that will cost you even more. When the system repair is done, your iPad will return to normal without data loss. Remember to take care of your iPad and free up your storage to keep the system running smoothly this time. If none of these methods work, it might be a hardware issue. In this case, it's best to visit an Apple store or an authorized service provider for further assistance. They can diagnose the problem and suggest repairs or replacements if necessary. That's all for today. I hope these methods help you fix your iPad's black screen of death. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Or leave a comment with any question, whether it related or not. We are always here to help. See you next time.